Hello guys, my name is Srikar and welcome to my channel RFL. Today our topic is what went wrong with SGS, Sardar Gabbar Singh. It was 7th April 2016 when all Power Star Pawan Kalyan fans were eagerly waiting for release of Sardar Gabbar Singh. So, Sardar Gabbar Singh is a sequel of blockbuster movie Gabbar Singh, which is a trendsetter which released in the year 2012. Gabbar Singh is a remake of Bollywood movie Dabangg. So here are my reasons for the failure of movie Sardar Gabbar Singh. So let's begin. Reason number one: story and screenplay. Story and screenplay of this movie are written himself by Pawan Kalyan. And if you want to shoot a Raja Rani Senapati drama in the year 2016, then it's not a good idea. If you want to produce that film in this point of time, that is in the period of 2016, then it's not a good idea. You should have mentioned that the story is running in the year 1980s or 1990s. It's like really outdated concept, and the screenplay is too boring, that made the result of movie as such. Reason number two: being a bilingual. I don't think any Hindi audience know that Sardar Gabbar Singh also released in Hindi, and many were waiting for its release in Goldmines Telefilms. I'm pretty sure about that. If you want to release a movie in Hindi, you should make sure that the star or the co-stars have that craze in Bollywood also. But it was not that subject which could connect both to Bollywood and Tollywood at the same time. So that concept did not work for bilingual, especially in Hindi and as well as in Telugu. Reason number three: music by Devisri Prasad. It's really outdated. See, first of all, I should say that I am DSP fan. I am a huge follower of him. But when I heard the music of Sardar Gabbar Singh, okay, music was good, background music was good, but the point is, it was not up to the mark, or I should say, it was not of that era. See, of not that trend actually. Like as I said previously, the story was really outdated. If the concept is really outdated, so the music is also outdated. If you listen to songs of Sardar Gabbar Singh, they give me a feeling of listening to retro songs or late 90s, late 80s songs like that. So I felt like it's really outdated to me. 4. Reason number 4: being a sequel. See, if you're planning a sequel to a trendsetter movie, to a blockbuster movie, then you should make sure that the concept is really strong and it should hit the audience hard. It should give the same feeling, or the feeling should enhance. You know, audience expect so much from the sequel. Okay, the expectations rose very high. See, whenever I read newspaper, it was all about Sardar Gabbar Singh in newspaper. So I was really expecting so much from the movie. Okay, and of course, it is a Pawan Kalyan's film, DSP music, Kajal Agrawal heroine, and new cast and crew. Villain was a new guy. So I was expecting so much from that movie, but I did not get it. I did not feel the vibes. Okay, I have told 4 reasons about the failure of this movie. Then, what could be the solution, or what could be the alternate? So, first point is story screenplay. As I told, if you're planning to tell a Raja Rani Senapati drama, set the story in 1980s or 1990s. Like if you see Rangasthalam, from the very beginning, they told that Rangasthalam is a 1980 is going to portray 1980s atmosphere, not 2016 or not 2017, not 2018. It was the story ran in 1980 period. Reason number 2: bilingual. See, you should find the right time to release in Hindi or in other language. If you're going out of Tollywood, then you should take the right time and choose the right script for that. Yeah. And reason number 3: solution for reason 3, what was that? Music. So as the concept, so the music. So if you work well on concept, the music will come good because there is DSP. Reason number 4 and its solution being a sequel. See, if you're planning a sequel, I said, uh, prepare the story very strong subject. Prepare a very strong subject, and it would be a lot better if you don't touch trendsetters. First of all, if you want to prepare a sequel, see, if you want to plan a sequel to a trendsetter, you should do one thing. You should remake the sequel of the original version of the remake. See, if you take the bang 2 and you remake it, there is some sense. Or if you don't touch it, it's also very good. But if you take another subject which does not fit into it, and audience are disappointed. I will be glad if they don't remake Dabang 3 now. PSPK 26, PSPK 27, PSPK 28, PSPK 29. Coming to them, PSPK 26 is Vakil Saab, to be directed by Venu Sriram, MCFA. And PSPK 27, Radha Krishna Jagaril Moody is the director, and it's going to be a pan India film. Hope it will work out. And PSPK 28 is with Harish Shankar and DSP. The trio, the blockbuster trio. Harish Shankar, PSPK, and DSP. I'm eagerly waiting for it, really. And PSPK 29, the buzz is that PSPK 29 is going to be with Trivikram. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you want me to do another What Went Wrong with series, please suggest me any Tollywood movie, because I watch only Tollywood movie, not Bollywood, not Hollywood.